Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the parathyroid gland and its hormones. The parathyroid glands are tiny, pea-sized glands which are embedded in the thyroid gland. Each lobe of thyroid has two parathyroid glands embedded in it. The parathyroid glands produce the hormone which is called parathormone or PTH. Parathormone is released in response to drop in plasma calcium levels. It regulates the concentration of calcium and phosphate ions in the blood. It increases plasma calcium level by promoting calcium ions mobilization from the bones. It also promotes calcium reabsorption from the kidneys and decreases the amount of calcium loss in the urine. Parathormone also enhances calcium absorption from small intestine into the blood. It regulates phosphate ions in the blood by their absorption into the bone and enhances their renal excretion. इस तरह से ये जो हार्मोन है पैराथॉर्मोन, ये कैल्शियम और फॉस्फेट की रेगुलेशन करता है, लेकिन अपोजिट वेज में. कैल्शियम के लेवल को ब्लड में रेज करता है, कैल्शियम को एब्जॉर्ब भी करवाता है, किडनी से रीअब्जॉर्ब भी करवाता है, जबकि इसके मुकाबले में फॉस्फेट के साथ इसका जो एक्शन है वो बिल्कुल इन चीजों के ऑपोजिट है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द पैराथॉर्मोन एक्ट्स with the help of calcitriol. Calcitriol is the active form of vitamin D. Vitamin D is converted into calcitriol by the action of parathormone on the kidneys, where it enhances the activity of hydroxylase activity of kidneys, which generate or which metabolize vitamin D and produce calcitriol. Calcitriol, after its production, works with parathormone and stimulates calcium reabsorption and phosphate excretion through the kidneys. Calcitriol also helps in the release of calcium ions from the bones and its absorption from the gut. Dear students, overproduction of parathormone has certain drastic effects on bones. Bones become soft and deformed and prone to fracture because of oversecretion of parathormone. Elevation of this parathormone release, extra overproduction of parathormone also results in the elevation of blood calcium levels, that is hypercalcemia. It also results in the suppression of nervous system and weakness of muscles due to hypercalcemia. Hypercalcemia results in production of kidney stones because in kidneys extra calcium salts are precipitated and converted into stones. The undersecretion of PTH also has bad effects. It produces hypocalcemia when the level of calcium in the blood is reduced. The undersecretion of parathormone also causes increased excitability of neurons. It also results in muscle tetany, in which the muscles remain in contracted state.